everyone, welcome to African Drum course. Today I'm going to teach you the third class of Sinte Rhythm. The first beat is toton toton bass, toton toton bass. Now let's play twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second beat is toton toton bass. Let's play twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the beats, each beat 4 times. 5, 6, 7. This is the end of Sinte Rhythm. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you'll see our new videos. And share with your friends and families too. Goodbye.